man, give me something big. This is crazy, yeah. After playing like $200, $1, $2 with 1.57, 150. That's not good. Oh my God! What kind of a stupid people are you guys? Come on, fill it up. Come on, 3. Oh, come on. How that is even possible? Only one. Only there is no mini, there is no minor, there is nothing. Only $1, $2, $3. After you taking like a crazy amount of money. Come on. $40. Hurry. More than $150. That's one of the worst one of all time. I'm not really sure that's going to be. Oh my God! $2. $3. Come on, fucker. What is wrong with you? That's frustrating. $350 you took it for the shit. $4. I never believed that. $400, $300, sorry, not $400. That's unbelievably bad. And it's for $2.21, it's giving only like $1, $2. What the hell is that? Come on, fill it up, fill it up. Minor, major, mini. Oh my God. What? Come on, fill it up, please, tiger. No man, it's a dragon. Come on. One more. Come on, one more. Come on, fill it up, please. Come on, 3. Oh wow, 4. I never believed that. Come on, fill it up. Come on. Come on. 4 spins. No. I need a minimum $300 to $400 over here. $225. If you give like $30, $40, that's not even $100, I guess. There is no big number. You don't even have minor, major, maxi, or nothing. Basically. $2.25, buddy. It's 108. Okay, we have one more. If you have one more, then definitely it's worth. Come on, dragon. Okay, thank you. Please. Fine. Minor. Okay, I need a big number, anything, something. Okay. Put it $300. I want to return my money back. Come on, minor, major, minor, mini. Come on. Oh my God. That is the biggest number. $1.50 is the biggest number you give. Come on. Show me the come. Come on. Don't say that. Come on, please. Come on. 9. Oh man. No coins. Come on, I have 4 more spins back. One more time, please. I want a major or minor. Granular. Okay, 200. Okay, I need 100 more. That's it. My money back. Come on. Don't. Oh, God. Come on, one more time. Oh, man. Frankly, it's okay, but not really.